So we're all very fancy tonight. We are having dinner at Palo, and we're back at Meridian. We have a bourbon trolley. That makes me happy. It's good Manhattan. Here we are. This is our view at Rebbe. Beautiful restaurant. Oh, thank you. Gosh, I'm.
All day. Michelle says,
This is Palo. Here is our menu. We've met our server. Very nice man. Sorry, this is bopping around a little bit. The ocean is making the ship dance a little bit.
What left is the beginning of our regular menu, where I would like to start for recommending our tomato mozzarella press. Sliced beef tomato with 100% waterproof mozzarella cheese. They will top it with basil and virgin olive oil. As a garnish on the side, there will be arugula leaves. The other one, still on appetizers, would be the soft potato gnocchi. So they will cook the potato, mix it with flour and eggs, and then they toss it on a tomato pianola sauce. As a garnish, kale leaves and caramelized grape tomatoes. Both the appetizers, they are very light, perfect to start your dinner. Now, on the right-hand side, we will have our main courses divided in 4 sections for your comfort, and I would like to jump right to the third one for il pesce, to recommend you the sea scallops. They will be caramelized king size, coming on a bed of celery puree with the creamy leeks and baby vegetables. On the side, there will be a dipping cheese prosecco with black truffle oil. If you like scallops, go for these ones, they are wonderful.
Awesome.
Now, on the bottom right, I would like to talk a little bit in the La Carne section about our ossobuco. It is a center-cut veal shank, which is slowly roasted between 3 to 6 hours on a red wine and veal jus. Then we'll be coming on a bed of saffron risotto, which is the Milanese risotto you could read over there, and they will top it as a garnish with gremolata. Gremolata is minced virgin olive oil with parsley and lemon zest. It is extremely tender meat and definitely one of our signature dishes. Now I would like to take a look in the menu, and I will be coming back in one moment with something good for you. And yes, I will answer any questions you may have.
Fantastic. Wow, that just makes it even harder.
In the middle, the lavash with parmigiano, and in the crostini with the oregano. Now, should I prepare a plate? I'll put it in the middle for the two of you to share. Is it okay?
Yes?
Fantastic. I would like to start with our bresaola. Bresaola is hair-dried cured beef. And over here, our porciotto or parma ham is hair-dried cured pork. Both of them are aged for around 400 days. In the middle, we have our Parmigiano Reggiano, which requires a minimum of aging of 18 months. In this case, this one has 24 months.
Wow.
Now, moving on for our artichokes. They are marinated with the sunflower olive oil, and our bell peppers as well, marinated with herbs and virgin olive oil. Meanwhile, we have here our balsamic vinegar. It is aged for 8 years from Modena in Italy, made with the Trebbiano grapes. While they age it, they change it from cask to cask it will have a little bit of sweetness on it. It is amazing. Our infused virgin olive oils, I would like to put a little touch of the rosemary. And does everyone is okay with the spicy chili flakes?
I am. Yeah?
Yes? No, I don't put too much because the flavor is there, so just a little more. Based on the experience, it is because the main courses are the generous portions, I would say.
Yes.
If you know what I mean.
Yeah.
So you may pick up one appetizer, one main course. If you are not sure between a main course, you can ask something to put in the middle so you can share.
Oh,
yes.
great.
That would be my suggestion.
Excellent. Thank you.
Very well.
It's amazing. Sauce is perfect. A little bit of garlic and lemon. That giant shrimp. Nobody even tries the calamari yet. It's so good. Okay, I'm trying the calamari now. Thought I'd hit it with a little of the marinara. Perfectly tender. Delicious. My table's a mess. I'm an animal. I don't even know why they let me come to something. My shirt's okay.
I was going to say, I can't believe it.
It's daring. It is daring for me to wear a white shirt any place that there's tomatoes within 5 miles. So now I've learned to try to eat over my plate and not just go rah. Our server is fantastic. So our mains have been delivered. My mom's having the risotto. I'm showing you this because we're sharing this one in the middle of the table. Shireen got a filet mignon. I've ordered the Dover sole, and it will be prepared tableside. Looks fantastic.
Buon appetito, everyone.
Thank you. Wow, so fancy. Ordered our coffee and our teas. And this is our sugar patty with 4 kinds of sugar. Because, you know, how can you not have 4 different types of sugar to choose from?
And now, for quality control, I would like to have a little bite of soup. Enjoy, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Do you see this? Wow. Oh boy. They're both really good. Try some of that ice cream or gelato. Thank you. Beautiful. Well, we're back in the Meridian Lounge. Dinner was incredible. $30 per person was the upcharge to eat at Palo. But if you come here and you have an experience like we did that was just tremendous. The food was all great. The Dover sole, where they prepare it right at the table, that's old school. That's awesome. You know, think about what this kind of a meal with that level of service would cost you on land and tip accordingly. That's my advice. I just think that's the right thing to do. For today, for tonight, this is your buddy Chris from the Holy Moly. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.